po kami ng Almarjan Island sa Ras Al Khaimah. Yan, kami po ang magkakasama, kami pong apat ng pamilya. Wala po yung panganay namin, nasa trabaho. Yan, kami muna magkakasama ngayon.
Ayusin ko muna yung map.
Yan. Alis na po kami. 12:25 po ng tanghali kami alis. At kami magsa-sightseeing pa doon sa aming mga dadaanan. Para kami naman po ay maraming makita. Ayan. Guys, nandito na kami sa Muhammad bin Zayed Road. Yan ang ating pilot, aming anak.
So, dito kami ngayon sa Hampton, by Hilton. So, ito po yung room ng aming mga anak. So, this is our first room. Ayan po. Itutur ko kayo sa aming room. Ayan po. This is the washroom and bathroom as well. So, meron po sila diyang malaking center mirror. And then, ayan po, meron silang hand wash. And meron ding lotion, body lotion. Ayan. Tapos, meron po diyang salamin. Then, this is the shower area. So, they have this handheld shower. And they have the rain shower as well. Then, they have the shampoo, conditioner, and the body wash there. And also the bath towel. Yan po yung there's some instruction na nakalagay dyan sa blue. So, this is the bathroom. Yan. Ang toilet. And ito po yung bedroom. So, meron dyan dalawang 2 beds. So, isa for Jeremy and isa para kay Jacob. Then, ito po yung balcony. Meron po siyang balcony. So, ayan si Didi. Tapos, meron dalawang upuan dyan. Then, sa balcony, makikita niyo yung sea view. Ayan. Sobrang ganda ng dagat. Tapos, meron din po diyang infinity pool. Ayan. So, if you want to relax, gusto nyo ng place outside the city, so ito po ang best place to go. One of the best place in UAE to go para magpahinga. Then, ito naman po yung mini bar or ano ba tawag dito? Yan, meron po diyang coffee. So, pwede kayo mag-tea or coffee. Andyan yung kettle. Then, meron po silang complimentary 2 bottles of water. Then, they have the blower. Then, laundry bag. If gusto nyo magpa-laundry outside. Then, ito po yung mini fridge. So, kung meron kayong mga inumin, drinks from outside, pwede nyo po ilagay dyan. Then, meron din silang mini safe. So, if you have important things, you can keep it there. Isaset nyo lang yung password. Then, there is a drawer and prayer mat inside. Then, there's another drawer for your personal things. Then, this is the closet. So, you can hang your clothes there. They have some hangers and ironing board. They also have the flat iron. Yan. Then, this is our room. So, this is a king size bedroom with sofa and with sea view. So, this is the closet. Again, same lang ng double bedroom. All are the same except doon sa bed. So, again, this is the washroom, the toilet, and the shower area. Yan. So, it has rain shower and handheld shower, then lotion. This is shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Then, meron ding towel. So, yun si Didi sa pinto. Sumisilip sa butas. Yan. Ito yung king size bed. So, this is our room. Didi and Mimi's room. Then, there is a sofa bed. So, pwede rin yan matulog. You can sleep there as well. waiting kami ng dinner time. So, nagpapahinga muna kami ni Didi for a while. You can watch TV as well. Yan, meron din balcony yung aming room, which has a sea view as well. So, actually, nakuha namin yung room upgraded sa sea view ng free. So, thanks to Hampton. Kasi mas mataas yung rate ng rooms with sea view. Pero binigyan nila kami ng free upgrade to sea view. So, sobrang saya, di ba? Ito guys, we're going for the dinner. So, bababa kami dun sa ground floor para mag-dinner. Actually, separate namin binayaran yung dinner. Hindi siya kasama dun sa package. Breakfast lang yung included in the package. So, I have paid 402 dirhams para doon sa dinner namin for 4. Si Jacob, since 10 years old siya, 50% lang yung binayaran niya. And yung dinner is 115 per head kasi buffet siya. Dito yung buffet sa Flavors. So, yan yung name ng restaurant, Flavors. Then, they have also dress code. For dinner time, bawal yung mga naka-shorts, sleeveless. So, dapat proper yung damit. Ito yung area for the buffet. So, hindi na kami masyado nakapag-video kung ano yung mga food. So, we just took a picture. Ayan. We had a very nice dinner. Video tayo, video. Jacob! Malinsangan, no?
You're lucky today.
Lah, yung moon, no? Yung moon, wala.
So, it's time for some wine with Didi and Jeremy. Gusto masayaw dun, oh. So, it is past 9 now. And, nagpapahinga na kami ni Didi. So, we're watching TV habang nagpapaantok. And yan, may pa-selfie muna si ateng nyo. So, good morning guys. Today is 11th July. It's Friday morning. So, we woke up in the morning at sea. This is the sunrise. Ayan. Natutulog pa si Didi and yung kids. So, I took a video first in the morning. para makita natin kung ano ang itsura ng beach in the morning. And it's time for breakfast. Doon, kuha ka na, Jacob. Kuha ka na ng food mo. Fried rice or bread, what do you want? Gusto mo ba ng rice o hindi? Rice. Ayan. Ito Jacob sausage o saka ham. Potato wedge. They have different types of egg. They have scrambled eggs. They have omelette. They also have sunny side up eggs. And they also have a bread station. So you can choose whatever breakfast you want. And they have the waffle maker station. Meron na rin silang mga cooked waffles para ready to eat na. So, ayan si Jacob is pouring chocolate on his waffle. They also have some hams, bolognies. Let's have some breakfast, guys. Kain na po. Dito, Daddy. Ano siya eh? Toasted. Toasted, hindi peke.
Mamaya na yan.
Oh, tingnan mo, gano'ng kalalim. Mababaw lang? Tayo ka, stand ka, stand. Ang babaw lang eh. Oh, lagay ka na yung phone ni Mami doon. Ay, si Daddy oh. Sarap, malamig.
Nakita nila ako. Ayan, masayang masaya. Masayang masaya ang aking ina. Bob! Opo! Kaki mo! Payong-payong. Yan po yung mga payong-payong. No, po-floating pa si Mami. Wow! Nagpo-floating! Ang galing! Ang galing-galing! Guys, marami na yatang nainom na tubig yung dalawa. Ayan, no? Kanina umaapaw yung swimming pool, ngayon wala na. Hindi na umaapaw. Nainom na nila lahat ng tubig. Yay! Yay! Madami na sila nga inom. Ayan, no? Makina, oh. Masayang masaya, oh. Saya-saya naman. Ayan, inom na naman. Kaya madami-dami ngayon tao. Ayun din sa beach. Ayun. Madami-dami na yung tao sa beach. Ayan. Kasi mamaya mainit na. So hanggat kaya pa nila yung init, siguro. Gano'n sila, kailangan nila. Sinasamantala na nila. Pati yung mag-ina ko, sinasamantala na nila. Hanggat kaya nila yung iba. Kalina mo. Pwede mo ang kandayo. Ayos, ayos. Very good, very good.
One more. One more. One more. Dali.
Nakasakay na kami, naka-check out na kami. Pauwi na po kami. Ayan. Ayun yung bunso. Ayun o. Ayun.
Ayaw mo eh.
Heading ko home na.
Ayaw mo ni Jacob.
Uwi, kasayahan.
Ano ba next?
So we are on the way home now. If we will rate our experience in Hampton, it was really good. We had a good rest and nice food as well. It was worth the money and time spent. We look forward to do and share our future travel, camping, and other activities with you guys. We will see you on our next vlog. Thanks again for watching. Bye!
Buksan mo yung ano mo. Sana.
Bawal ata yung overtake.
Tanongin mo yung ano. May dadaan, no? Tumigil.
Bawal yan. Ano? Overtake ka. Ayun. Hindi mo tayo mabaan dito na. Gano!
Ano nakita?
Ay, hindi na.
Sige ba?
Traffic kami ng Camel.
Hindi kami makaraan sa
Sana
camel.
naman na lang. Ang vandalize.
Hindi sila makadaan yun. Nasaan na yung mga
May
camel?
nakatigil pa. Sige lang mo.
Ha?
Natulog. Gano'ng katagal ba yan? Mas
Bawal yung daanan eh.
Gano'n.
Sa pagkakatanda ko, bawal yung daan. Hindi mo kailangan mo sila paano patapusin.
Hindi mo na lang isa nila kumakain ng
Yan guys, nag-traffic kami sa Camel. Ayan po yung mga Camel.